Hello, how are you? Welcome to channel Curiosity. Before I start, want to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification so you can continue enjoy my content. Let's just start. Five curiosities of planet Earth. Number 1. The oceans cover 71% of the Earth's surface. However, it only occupies 0.4% of its volume. Number 2. Humans have only explored 5% of the oceans, which means that 95% of our oceans remain a great mystery. What do you think? Number 3. 20% of the Earth's oxygen is produced by the Amazon rainforest. Number 4. The Earth is not perfectly round. This is flattened by the North and South poles. Number 5. Rainbows are actually circular. We don't see the entire circle because the horizon of the Earth hides the bottom. This has been everything. If you liked my content, subscribe to my channel, comment and share with your friends to help me grow. Until next time, guys.